Today, I'm going to show you how to never miss a notification again with GoodLock. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. And we've sort of had our GoodLock series running throughout this year. Whenever there's been some downtime and not much is happening in Samsung land, we dive into some new features or some modules that GoodLock has. Today, we look at NotiStar. NotiStar is basically if you ever missed a notification or you think you've got a notification and you don't see it anymore, NotiStar effectively will keep all the notifications sort of in the back end for you, so you can go back and check what's actually given you a notification. So it sits inside GoodLock. So in the GoodLock module, you'll see NotiStar there. You obviously can go down here and download if you haven't got it installed yet. So go in and do that. Otherwise, you'll find it here, and then you go into it and you can see no notifications. But if I clear all the ones that I have had, and then I do go back into it, it will show me the notifications that were sort of sitting there. That way, at least, you're not going to miss it, especially if it's an important message that you maybe accidentally cleared. So, what can you do to sort of utilize it? In the settings here, you've got an application list of apps that allow NotiStar to sort of read them. So, you're just better off turning all of them on if that's going to be easier for you. And then you've got a filter list. So you can add in a filter list of specific keywords or applications that you want to see all the time. So you can go in, you don't have to have a filter list if you don't want to. There's also going to be a NotiStar on the lock screen. So there'll be an icon present on the lock screen that'll actually allow you to sort of see the notifications that you might have missed. So you can see it here after you've activated it. Swipe up here for NotiStar. So that little arrow icon, you swipe up on it, unlock the phone, and then your previous notifications are going to sit there. You've got the option of changing the background color. So if you go in here, you can make the background color stand out a little bit more. You can have it be a bit more see-through or transparent or a bit more solid. So I can show you sort of what that looks like. That didn't really change it, did it? Maybe it'll be on the lock screen. No, that's still green. That's still gray. Anyway, what you can also do is change the start icon settings. So when it is locked and you've got those arrows, you can actually have sort of it look a little bit different. So it doesn't have to be there. You can sort of place it maybe under the fingerprint scanner. You can have it be red, green, blue. You can sort of change the color of what that sort of icon will look like. And then you've got the transparency, whether it be low or high. If you want it to stand out a bit more, then you can save it. So now when you unlock and have it on the lock screen, sitting there ready for you to access. You've got a sync with screen lock. So if your screen is locked, you can have it sort of synced to go with that. So if I turn that off, hopefully I don't need to have the phone unlock first, as you can see. So that could actually work really, really well. And as you can see, it's now all of a sudden giving me the blue background. I might keep that one off. I actually like that. There is a storage period for notifications. So if you want it to store up to a year, you can have a year's worth of notifications be kept in the back end there. Or you can just have it be 7 days if you don't need to go back that far. Depending on what it is you want to keep, you might want to have the option to go back a year worth of messages so you can maybe go back and see if you've missed something. That's up to you what you want to do there. There's also a toggle here to set app unable to clear notifications. It's a labs feature, hence why the name is so literal. But if you toggle this on, let's say you don't want notifications from certain apps to be cleared, you go on toggle them on. So I'll just use Telegram as the example because it's the one that's there right now. So if I go here and turn on Telegram, that's going to stay in there. So when I go into NotiStar now to check this out, swipe up. If I hit this clear all button, it's now got rid of notifications from Telegram. Well, didn't that prove me wrong? In any case, that's NotiStar. The whole purpose of it is it will keep notifications for you. So if you do happen to lose them or you've cleared them away by accident, you can just swipe up on the lock screen and they'll be there for you. So I might just show you a live example of it working. So I'll send myself a message from my other phone. One moment. Okay, text. I'll just write text message then hit send. And then this should come through on here. And then I'll just clear it away. Whoops, what a mistake. Swipe up. There it is there. The text message that I cleared away stores it in the back end, so that way I don't actually miss it. Quite neat. And if you ever find yourself thinking, what was that for? What happened? Use NotiStar and keeps it there for you. So hit subscribe to SamMobile TV if you're looking for more sort of good lock information or just more stuff about Samsung. This is the place where you'll find it. News, reviews, TVs, the whole thing. We cover it here. If you're looking for even more coverage on Samsung products, go check out our website. That is where you'll find everything to do with Samsung. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.